Sorry flat earthers, in the next 30 seconds I'm going to debunk your flat earth theory in 3 simple steps and comment at the end if you agree or disagree. Step 1. If earth was flat, surely a lunar eclipse would look like this instead of this. Well, the earth's shadow is cast onto the moon as a perfect circle. Step 2. Why does literally every single photo of earth show that it's a perfect sphere, and the same for other planets too? Step 3. How about time zones? How are some parts of the earth experiencing night and others experiencing day if the earth was flat? And if you genuinely believe our planet is flat, then why is it not a single person has ever travelled to the edge and shown evidence?